So good evening, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're actually at a fireworks show. We are here in Naphill in Buckinghamshire to experience Buckinghamshire's finest, best fireworks show. So, yeah.
Come along with us.
It's taking place outside the village hall on the creek. Paid our tickets. How much were the tickets, Hayley?
They were £14 each, but that was on the day price.
And all the proceeds actually go into Naphill for their other events that they've got going on. So yeah, it's like the biggest bonfire ever. That. It gets lit in about an hour's time. We've got a live stage over here for a band as and when. You've got the poppy appeal as well. Hayley's gone for a JD and Coke. I've gone for a nice Rebellion lager again. £9 in total, which is the cheapest.
It's not bad. You're normally paying about that for one, isn't it?
Yeah. Make sure you stay tuned to fireworks next week. We're going to be at Alton Towers for 2 nights, Saturday and Sunday, for their fireworks. Can't wait for that. Although we've been critical of Alton Towers of late, their fireworks is ace, and I urge anybody that hasn't been before, go to Alton Towers fireworks. It's amazing. So Hayley, you're happy?
Lanyard ending.
A lanyard for the poppy appeal.
Yes.
Interest donations. So,
and it's the 2024 one, so yeah.
Awesome. Here's another look at the bonfire. We're about 15 minutes away from lighting. That's going to be very toasty. Very, very toasty. And then we've got fireworks in about an hour and a half's time after that being lit. Paranormal. Whoa.
Damn, it's toasty.
That is hard. We're literally 5 minutes away and it's very, very crowded. The fire is still going though, believe it or not. Yeah, 5 minutes away, 5 minutes. There we go, the lights have gone out. The fire is still going. 3, 2, 1.
male. Ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarito se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.
I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah. If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah.
This is the moves for those who.
There we go. There was the Naphill fireworks. Did you enjoy it, Hayley?
It was very good.
It was very good. Yeah.
It was about 25 minutes of fireworks and very cold now, but it was very, very good. Very worth the £14.
Yeah, and all proceeds go to Naphill for all their upcoming events. So yeah, highly recommend it. Hit the like button.
You know what to do. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.